Hours out from Hurricane Helene, set to be able to make landfall in Florida's Big Bend. You're looking right now live over St. Petersburg. Now, this powerful storm bringing the risk of devastating damage. Of course, you can be able to see here just how much water is out there right now. A storm surge warning is in place for most of the state's west coast right now, where officials say surging waters could be unsurvivable. All right, let's go live now to Tallahassee, Florida, and that's where we find meteorologist Kristen Curry. So, Kristen, the Big Bend area hasn't seen a direct hit in close to a decade. What can you tell us?
Yeah, Alicia, it's really Tallahassee proper that hasn't had that direct hit since Hurricane Helene back in 2016. If you go a little further east, we've had those Hurricane Debbies from earlier this year, Hurricane Idalia. We also had Hurricane Michael that got close to Tallahassee. The Tallahassee, the city, has not seen it in 8 years. Now, we're most concerned about the tree canopy causing significant power outages. Let me show you why. Behind me, these very tall trees, I mean, these are good, 2-3 stories in height. We're anticipating quite a bit of tree damage with the hurricane force winds coming on shore here. And I'll tell you, even right now, the winds are slowly starting to pick up. So we have not yet seen those tropical storm force winds. We know they will be here within the next hour to 2 hours, followed by those hurricane force winds. And that's just the wind side. We know there's also going to be significant rainfall causing inland flooding. That's why people are preparing, putting up those boards over the windows, putting out the sandbags, evacuating. We saw some video earlier of I-10 just completely stopped a couple days before today of people leaving. Those who didn't are trying to seek higher shelter and sturdier shelter. We have in the hotel we're staying at right now a completely sold out hotel, 10 floors in height, and it's not even just visitors, it's locals who don't feel comfortable staying at home because they've got too many trees on their property, or even the National Guard. We've got a few of those soldiers here with us just waiting to respond to an emergency if one was to occur over the next 12 to 24 hours as those conditions do deteriorate.
Kristen, I was looking closely to see if I saw any cars pass behind you, so I have to ask you, did people heed the warnings? Have you seen anybody out and about?
Earlier today there were a few people out, but for a college town, Florida State University right down the street, it should be booming. And we have not seen a lot of people. There's a little bit of some traffic here on this main roadway, but other than that, I think everyone is in that final preparation stage of saying, hey, this thing's coming on shore within, those outer bands, I should say, within the next hour or so. Landfall itself will come much later tonight, but it's getting much stiller as far as the buzz goes as the weather starts to pick up.
Well, we appreciate your coverage. I know two big universities there. You have FAMU and Florida State with all those college kids right there in that area. Very concerning. Thanks so much for your coverage. And as Hurricane Helene inches closer to making landfall, we have a QR code that you can be able to see right here to scan and track Helene just yourself. You can just point your phone and your TV, and you can be able to connect, be able to find out where you can be able to take and find out all the information to the latest track and the updates on the storm that makes its way to the Carolinas. Again, the timing of that also is very important to be able to watch, and also getting those flood watches and warnings. So you can find all that latest information on our website at qcnews.com.